Derita, derita, derita. Stop. Mukari. Up. Don't move. Las
Are you
paragoons.
interested in becoming a cost management accountant?
Our course can help you develop the necessary skills to excel in this in-demand career. Our program covers a range of topics including budgeting, cost analysis, and forecasting. With hands-on training and real-world case studies, you can gain practical experience in managing costs and maximizing profits. We offer the following course: 1.ca Chartered Accountant, 2. CMA Cost Management Accountant, CS Company Secretary, GST Goods and Services Tax, IT Income Tax, Tally Prime with GST, SM Stock Market, CC Computer Course. Invest in your future and enroll in our Cost Management Accountant course today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to advance your career and achieve financial success.